Now, when we speak of this devastating crash, this tragedy that has struck our country, we also speak of the aftermath and how the victims and their bodies are now being identified by DNA sampling. There is some breaking news coming in on that front. Identities of 32 victims now have been confirmed by DNA tests. Earlier, we were going with the number 19, but right now, updates have come in and the number has now gone up to 32 victims having been confirmed. 14 bodies from 11 bodies, now 14 bodies have been handed over to the families. 230 teams of the forensic experts are currently involved in the operation. They've said that it's a meticulous process, it is a time-taking process, and they do not want any kind of negligence involved in the same. Again, sources have said that former Gujarat Chief Minister Vijay Rupani's DNA has been matched. Rupani's body is to be handed over to the family. These are the latest details that we are getting, and in fact we have some reactions coming in on this very update. Let's listen in.
हमारे नेता श्री विजय भाई रूपानी जी का एयर इंडिया अहमदाबाद गेटविक की फ्लाइट के क्रैश में दुखद अवसान हुआ है और ख़ास तौर पे आज सुबह करीबन 11:10 को उनका डीएनए मैच हुआ है.
સવારે આપણે વાત કરી એ પ્રમાણે 31 સેમ્પલ હતા, પણ અત્યારના બાઇટમાં મારી પાસે 32 ડીએનએ સેમ્પલ મેચ થયેલા છે. 14 લોકો પોતાના સગાના મોર્ટલ રિમેન્સ કલેક્ટ કરીને લઈ ગયા છે. એ વિસ્તારનું નામ છે અમદાવાદનાથી 4, બરોડાના 2, ખેડાનું 1, બોટાદના 1 ફેમિલી, ઉદયપુરનું 1 ફેમિલી, મહેસાણાના 4 ફેમિલી અને અરવલ્લીના 1 ફેમિલી, ઉપરાંત વિસનગરના બી છે. વિસનગરના નથી લખાયા, એનીવે 4, વિસનગરના 4 છે. આટલા લોકો એક્સેપ્ટ કરી ગયા છે.
Now, Vidya is joining us on the broadcast to bring us more details on these latest developments that's pouring in, the latest updates that's coming in from Ahmedabad. Vidya, very good afternoon to you. What are you picking up this afternoon from there? We've been keeping a close tab on the DNA sampling that's been taking place. It's a time-taking process for sure, but now we hear the DNA sampling of 32 bodies have already been done. And out of them, we've also gotten a confirmation of Vijay Rupani as well. But do tell us, where does the DNA sampling test stand at this point?
32 samples, as you said, have been matched, and but it's a Herculean task to actually match further. You know, there are more than the death numbers are quite high, and that's one of the reasons why you do see a lot of people waiting. You know, like this particular family here is waiting for their, their niece, the mortal remains of their niece to be handed over to them. They have been waiting since the last 2 days. Similarly, you know, this tent has been put up here for people who are waiting for their, any information coming in. But if you can just show you this way, this is the post-mortem center. This is where the bodies are kept right now. As soon as the matching reports come in, the tags and all that are scientifically put up, they are, matched, and then the bodies are handed over. Since morning, we have seen that there are quite a few number of bodies that have already been handed over. We can see a lot of, you can see ministers and others actually walking in right now. But then, the wait is quite unnerving. I mean, there are people since last 2 days, 3 days that they have been waiting since June 12. They have been here waiting for any news of their, the matching happening, and then they being handed over. The wait is slightly, endless for some of the people, but it's certainly they will get their information, they will get it, and that's one of the reasons why they're still all waiting here at this place right outside the Bara number hospital bed, Bara 1,200 bed hospital, which was inaugurated by Rupani himself. This particular hospital that you see, it was during COVID. This was inaugurated by, there's a plaque which says it was inaugurated by Narendra Modi and Rupani, and it's it's just a coincidence that you have the mortal remains lying here, which will be handed over in some time. So, the process is still on. There's quite a humongous task that the administration here has to undertake, wherein all these bodies will be handed over eventually after the DNA matching is done.
They are indeed a painful coincidence, and heartbreaking stories and accounts keep pouring in even now as they await some sort of closure on what exactly went down, and also await the mortal remains of their loved ones who they lost in this tragic crash. Vidya, do stay with us right now. We also have Brijesh Doshi joining us from Vijay Rupani's residence at this given point. Brijesh, a very good afternoon to you. We have learnt at this point that Vijay Rupani's mortal remains, or rather the body, the DNA matching has already been done, and the mortal remains are to be handed over to the family. Please take us through what you're picking up from outside his residence at this point.
Definitely, see, this is a heart-wrenching moment for the family of ex-Chief Minister of Gujarat, Vijay Rupani. From today morning, all the leaders from all across the party, they are coming to share the pain with the family. The Central Union Minister Ramdas Athawale has also visited the Vijay Rupani's family as well. A short while ago, Gujarat's Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel has visited the residence and shared the details of the DNA matching with the family, and then asked about the state protocol advisory because he was the ex-Chief Minister of Gujarat, so everything will be done by the ex-Chief Minister's protocol. So there will be a government protocol for the mortal remains. The procession done at the Rajkot, their hometown of Vijay Rupani. So now the family has to decide that how will be the last rituals will be done in the Rajkot. What are the timings? How they want to go to Rajkot? The DNA sample matching has been done, and now family can get their mortal remains from the civil hospital. So once they will get the mortal remains from the civil hospital, then family has to decide that whether they will move to straight away to Rajkot, or how the arrangements will be done in the Rajkot. So now family is taking the time to deciding the last race of the Gujarat's ex-Chief Minister Vijay Rupani. So now we have to wait for the official information from the family that how the last rites will be done, and what will be the protocol followed by the Gujarat government. So we are just waiting for that information. But the Gujarat's State Home Minister Harsh Sanghvi has confirmed that DNA sample matching was done at 11:10 a.m. and now the mortal remains will be handed over to the Rupani family.
Right, Brijesh, as you mentioned of Harsh Sanghvi, we have a reaction from the Home Minister of Gujarat. Let's take a look at what he has to say.
हमारे नेता श्री विजय भाई रूपानी जी का एयर इंडिया अहमदाबाद गेटविक की फ्लाइट के क्रैश में दुखद अवसान हुआ है, और ख़ास तौर पे आज सुबह करीबन 11:10 को उनका DNA मैच हुआ है।